Everyone, welcome to a new video. Take a gallon of water and then take an ice cream stick and mark these. Then take a sharp cutter and cut those marked parts. Be careful in your doings. Then take a scissor and cut a grass-like structure with the gallon, the other part of the gallon, and similarly make flowers and then stick those flowers on the grasses. Take a purple colored gallon and with the help of a black colored marker, make an elephant out of that gallon. See, the elephant looks so very realistic. Be careful in your doing. Then cut those marked parts from the sides. Be careful. Carefully cut the eyebrow parts and the ears. Make a hole on top and make a pot-like structure with grasses. Take another gallon made of oil. With the help of black marker or sketch pen, make these cylindrical kind of objects on the gallon. Carefully cut those parts from the gallon and then make another such kind of object. Take a pin, make holes in those parts. The hole should be small. With your artistic and craft skills, create a flower. Carefully insert those flowers inside those pots. Take a yellow colored gallon and then decorate it with your own whims and fancies with the help of black marker or a sketch pen. Cut those parts very carefully. Make flowers and beads with similar kind of doings. Stick it on top. You are done. Take an orange colored small gallon and design it as your wish. Cut those flowery ends and the designer parts which you just made. Be careful so that you don't hurt yourself. Hang it on the hanger. Thank you for watching.